Hey, y'all. Good day. Good, of course, at Cookies and Ish. I want to say good day to y'all. This video will be kind of quick. I guess I put it that way. But I'm coming to y'all because it says I'm making buttercream balls. Because I made a whole thing of buttercream the other day, and I wanted to start putting some balls, but putting them in balls like with the scoop of ice cream. Let me just show y'all. Taking this, make scooping some balls out and freezing them. I put it that way to put them inside of cookies. I did that back in the past, and people loved it, of course. So of course, I just want to come on and do some of these with y'all. So hope y'all don't mind. So because I'm at home, actually, hope y'all don't mind. But like I said, I definitely hope that y'all are doing well. It's what, Thursday? I guess I put it that way. It's definitely Thursday. I'd say that. Like I said, it's been a good day so far. I hope y'all day has been well. If you're on here, let me know how your day was or how your day has started. I guess I put it that way as well because it's actually morning, so it's just now getting started. So let me know how your day is going. Like I said, mine is going well. I'm working from home this week, so I have a little bit extra time to, of course, get some things done. And this is one of the things I want to get done, so that I can, of course, make some more cookies as well. That will have buttercream filling in them. So, like I said, I think, well, I'll have to reshare some of the things that I've made with them, but I'll reshare a little bit later. Not right now, but like I said, the buttercream goes into the middle of the cookie, and it comes out fabulous, y'all. The ones I did make with this was actually the red velvet cookies, and a chocolate chip, like a plain chocolate chip cookie I made with the buttercream balls in them, so, or frosting inside, I guess I should say. So like I said, y'all, these are always awesome. At least to me, they're awesome. And the folks I made them for back in St. Louis was awesome too. So like I said, definitely I'm sure y'all enjoy these too, y'all. Like I said, I definitely want to come on and make these with y'all. And I know, and I got a call coming in, y'all. So I'm going to have to go.